And now it's time for the speed test with the accelerators. So today I'm going to test the top speed of the ADO D30 with the motor fully unlocked. So I have no more limitations. So I weigh about 90 kilograms. I have a rather heavy backpack with some filming equipment inside. And we are going to see how the bike performs now. So I have it on 5th level here. Acceleration is enabled. You can watch all the other videos to see more about that and how to enable them, how to install the throttle. So let's do the test now. So no pedaling, just full electric. So the acceleration is pretty decent, but it's constant. So it's getting more and more speed progressively. I already have 30, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39.9, 40. And 39.9, 40. So, and luckily we have hydraulic brakes. So as you can see, the bike will do 40 kilometers per hour, which is simply amazing because it does 44 without any kind of load in my test where I installed the throttle. But with the throttle installed now and under heavy load with me on the bike, regardless of the terrain, if it goes slightly uphill or slightly downhill, the top speed will be around 40 kilometers per hour, which is simply amazing. But look at this battery gauge. So if I accelerate hard, it starts to drop from the full battery because this creates a massive voltage drop under load, and that should be easier to see here on volts. So if I accelerate hard, I already have 38 volts, and the voltage stays low until I get some true speed. 37.8 volts already. So this is putting a lot of strain on the battery. Now I'm going uphill, so that's why it's not getting too much speed, but nonetheless it's getting there. And you can see now I already have 77% battery and I'm on 37 volts. So if I let go of the throttle and I brake, you can see now the voltage is recovering, and now I have already 40 volts and the battery is going up to 100%. If I'm going to do the test now again, going a bit downhill, you can see the voltage is dropping right away because I'm pulling all the maximum amps of the controller right now, which is actually more than 350 watts as they declare. And now I'm going to get some serious speed. And I need to brake because my track ends here. So as you can see, the bike, it's extremely interesting, as when you buy this, it's just limited at 25 kilometers per hour with just pedal assist, with just 250 watts. So you may say, oh, that's a lot of money for this bike because it has poor performance. Well, all that performance is just hidden away with few dollar throttles. So get the throttle, unlock the bike, and that's going to be real fun. But take notice that the throttle is not legal in a lot of European countries, so the bike should be only assisted, should only have 250 watts. But if you go on a private road, at least in my area here, there's no actually limitation for the speed, the power, or anything else. You can drive here a monster truck because it's kind of not a public road, so if it's not public you can break your neck with it, but don't break someone else's neck, because that's going to be jail time. So I highly recommend this bike, and I'm really impressed about its performance. This is the perfect combination now, because you can also switch gears, and with the 5 gears mode, electric gears mode that I've shown you, now you can select whatever kind of assistance you want with your gears, so that makes a really nice combination. And again, 38 kilometers per hour, the same road, doing it reversed, so only a 2 kilometer per hour difference. So you know that I'm not lying, going uphill or downhill, it's the same thing, so only 2 kilometers per hour difference. What is interesting, that the battery will drain really fast on this mode, and also you are going to lose top speed and acceleration proportionally with the voltage. So when the battery is no longer at 42 volts, then from there your top speed and acceleration will just decrease and will go down and down and down progressively. So if you want top speed, you need to have full battery first. But here there are some mods that you can do, but that's the subject of another video, and you can probably hit even bigger speed with this bike, but we'll leave it for some other time. So that was it. That was the load test with the unlocked bicycle. It performs truly amazing, and I'm really excited about this combination. As you can see, the motor is tiny. By the way, the motor, it's not even warm, so it doesn't put a strain on the motor at all. The battery, it's cool, and the controller, it's here, but because it's protected by that metal frame, you cannot feel if it's hot or not. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this short test. Be sure to follow my next uploads, where I'm going to do more stuff regarding the DECE 30 bike. Until then, see you and bye bye.